Our next question. Describe a person whose job is important to the society. So when you are given such a question, you are going to talk, say who the person is, or what job the person does, and how you know this person. Okay, so opinions might vary. So I can give you an example. Here I would like to speak about not just one person, but many people of the same profession who have all played a major role in my life and helped me shape into a person I am today. And these people are called teachers. Now, these teachers have taught me different things throughout life, both in school and in college, which has enhanced me both professionally and personally as a human being. Now, these teachers do the important job of teaching subjects of their expertise to the students. At the primary level in school, one teacher manages a difficult task as where they have to teach various subjects and to expertise the students. And it's a difficult task to have different individuals with different personalities and different backgrounds all come under one roof, and the teacher has to reach out to each and every child, reach out to the need or necessity of each and every child and make sure their needs are fulfilled. So that's definitely a difficult task. And students also have various levels or different levels of comprehension and attention. A teacher manages to teach different things to all these individuals simultaneously, making sure none of them is lagging behind or feeling left out. A teacher teaches manners and life skills to students, and in higher education, different teachers teach different subjects to students, yet they keep an eye on students' activities inside the classroom and outside, and whenever they feel it's necessary, they guide the students to become better human beings. And when they feel the child is making a wrong decision or is moving in the wrong track, they personify themselves as counselors and they gently bring the students back on the right track. And they also ensure that the students get along with each other in order to excel in the subjects that they are already good at. Now, these teachers also answer crucial questions that cloud the minds of students at various stages in their school and college levels. Teachers also lay the foundation for a successful, progressive, and tolerant nation by educating future generations and to turn them into civic and caring, sensitive, considerate, and ambitious individuals. So teachers are responsible for instilling moral and ethical values in students who then grow up into law-abiding citizens. And education is the basic requirement of any nation to become developed is what I feel. And just because teachers provide education, I personally feel that their job is of much importance to the society. And but unfortunately, in our country, we feel that in general, it's said that teachers are often unappreciated and underpaid when compared to many other professions. Okay, let's move on to the follow-up questions. What jobs are well paid in India? We are also going to have another contradictory follow-up question. What jobs are poorly paid in India or poorly paid in your country, whatever. Okay, so we are going to answer this particular question. Let's move on to the first question, the well-paid jobs in India. Jobs in the field of medicine and management are well paid in India. So we all know that these two are the main streams which through which people can make money. So we can also add a few more. Jobs involving front-facing like the hospitality industry, also pay well. Okay, so jobs in the field of medicine and management are well paid in India. Jobs involving front-facing like the hospitality industry also pay well. Okay, so I have given an outline or insight of well-paid jobs in India. Moving on to the next question, the contradictory one, the poorly paid jobs in country. Skill-based jobs public service jobs teaching jobs engineering jobs and clerical jobs are the poorly paid jobs. So again, this is my opinion. Opinion differs. I'm just giving you an example. Skill-based jobs, public service jobs, teaching jobs, engineering jobs, and clerical jobs are poorly paid jobs. Remember one thing, your answer is completely your opinion. There is nothing right or wrong in expressing your own opinion, provided you give a factual answer. Unless and until your answer is not factual, you can give any answer which can be accepted, because this discussion is mainly about your opinion about the particular thing. So that's why we have a follow-up question. So the examiner would like to know, what is your opinion on the types of jobs that involve poor payment, or the types of jobs that are well paid in your country. So you have your complete rights to express your view or your thoughts, provided they are true and factual.